I would like to start with some of the insights related to Apple search ads. We know that 65% of downloads occur after a download direct search, and we know that still majority of this traffic affected by ASO. So I mentioned that like ASO and ASA are collaborative strategies, and there's a huge potential in terms of download. In the previous session, we covered ASO optimization, but briefly, what we are doing in ASO, we are trying to deceive the algorithm. So with the metadata optimization and keyword optimization. So basically what we are doing is we are checking the competitor analysis to boost yourself in a limited timeline in ASO. So maybe you have similar challenges. Therefore, we came up with a Apple Search as strategy solution for that. So we realized that you can boost your campaign performance with improving your Apple Search as TTR and CR metrics. And it's not a rocket science.